How to post multiple pictures on one post on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, log into your account, then you'll find plus button on bottom. Click on plus button and you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, select post. In here, you all find galleries, pictures. Select one picture and then click on select multiple. After that, you can select multiple pictures, press on next. On top right, press on next again, and then you can share your pictures. This is how to post multiple pictures on one post on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia, signing off. Until next time.